So today I'm gonna show you our version of a Carolina Twinkie. First, this was done by Old Colony Smokehouse. They posted on Instagram. They got a barbecue restaurant in North Carolina. Check it out. This is also posted by Meat Church. They kind of give credit to them also. This thing is absolutely delicious. And today I'm gonna show you our twist on the Carolina Twinkie. We got Elite Barbecue Smokers Pimento Cheese, along with Elite Barbecue Smokers rubs and sauces, and cooking this bad boy on the Recteq. This here is absolutely simple and it's absolutely delicious. I'm Jason Hardy with Elite Barbecue Smokers. Let's get to prepping so we get cooking. Come on, you're gonna try this bad boy. Here's what we got today, boys and girls. We got the jalapenos. We got some Carolina Pride mild pork sausage. We got some Carolina Pride sliced bacon. We use our rubs, smoky heat rub, sweet barbecue rub, and we also got our Smoky BBQ Sauce there for the end. And we got the homemade pimento cheese. I'll show you how to make this in just a minute. Now, let's prep them up. To start with, get my jalapenos, just cut them in half, just like that. Just take a spoon and come in here and just roll it out. Do it where I can see it on camera better. Because the heat's where the seeds and the veins are on it. So get them out. Keep them together like you want them to be. Now take the jalapenos, take both halves, get your Elite Barbecue Smoker pimento cheese, which I'll make just a few minutes, and stuff both sides of them. Stuff it as much as you want. I went heavy-handed, you don't have to. Put them back together and set them to the side. Now that you have all your jalapenos stuffed with Elite Barbecue Smokers pimento cheese, now we're gonna wrap it with the sausage. Now we're using this Carolina Pride's mild pork sausage. I'm gonna put it in my hand and open it up and kind of roll it out, kind of get a uniform thickness. I'm gonna take the jalapeno popper, the stuff, and put it in the center of it. Then I'm gonna take it and roll it up and get all that sausage evenly around the whole thing, kind of roll it up around it. You see green? Kind of push it down and kind of roll the sausage on around it. You get good coverage all the way around. Now I have all of them wrapped. It's time to season them. What I'm gonna use is Elite Barbecue Smokers Smoky Heat Rub. Put that on first. Then I'll come back across that with my Elite Barbecue Smokers Sweet Rib Rub. Then I'm gonna take my bacon here. We're using Carolina Pride thin sliced bacon. I'm gonna lay it down and start rolling this thing up. The best way I've seen to wrap the bacon is take 4 slices, put it down the cutting board. Take the sausage you got and put in the middle of it. Take the outside pieces and cross them together, and then take the center and wrap it over. That's the best way I found to get good even coverage. Hey, if you got a different method, leave it in comment down below. All right, let's put it on smoker. Come on. So I'm smoking these Carolina Twinkies down with Recteq 1250. We're using a blend of royal charcoal pellets and hickory pellets to get good flavor. I'm smoking these at 300 degrees a day. I'm going to continue to cook it until the Carolina Twinkies internal temperature of the sausage gets 165 degrees. And then we'll take it, put Elite Barbecue Smoker Smoky BBQ Sauce on it, and glaze them off. And then, boys and girls, they're going to be delicious. So now I'm going to show you how to make Elite Barbecue Smokers Pimento Cheese. Here's going to be a good one. You start with cheese. Got sharp cheddar cheese. This is 2 cups, 2 8-ounce packs. I've cut it in half, make sure it's easier to run through this grinder. All the stuff is linked down below in Amazon store. I'm gonna add to that 1 block, another cup of cream cheese. But as you see, it's room temperature, I've cut it in pieces. It's a little easier to mix in when I do this. To do this, you can probably need to go up to a thick, hard wooden spoon before you can kind of manhandle it in. So I'm gonna take about 1/3 of them, just drop them in like this. See, I'm taking a spoon and forcing it in. So now I'm adding 4 ounces of drained pimentos. Then 2 tablespoons of Duke's mayonnaise. Just kind of mix it together. Anytime you see it, you start seeing the white spots like that, you know, kind of keep moving around. Make sure you get all that cream cheese even out throughout the mixture. Just like that. Now I'm gonna add some Elite Barbecue Smokers SPG, about a teaspoon. And Elite Barbecue Smokers Smoky Heat Rub, about another teaspoon. You do it the flavor you like. Now I'm gonna transfer this to an airtight container and put this in the refrigerator. You want to do this at least 2 hours ahead of time, preferably overnight. Let them flavors kind of melt together. This is Elite Barbecue Smokers Pimento Cheese. Pretty cool, ain't it? Hey, just a heads up though. This is a cream cheese based pimento cheese. Therefore, it's going to be a little bit thicker when it comes out of the refrigerator. So if you use it for a party, you might want to pull it out about an hour or so ahead of time, let it get room temperature. But now, go have fun, enjoy this, because this thing is delicious. All right. See what we got right here. 166. 172 there. I'm probing into the sausage, so we're good. So I'm going to take you and pull you this way a little bit. Now I got some Elite Barbecue Smokers Smoky BBQ Sauce. Put a little bit on top. Look good, don't they? Let it go about 5 minutes, set the sauce. All right, been right at 5 minutes. Look at that. I'm looking for area that sauce to get a little tacky. Pour this bad boy here off. Look at them things. Oh, they look good. I'm gonna take these inside and let these rest about 10 minutes. Just cool enough when you slice them and eat them. See you inside. Come on. All right, brought inside. I'll tell you what, boys and girls. Everything looks mighty pretty, don't it? Look at that. Slice up, see what it tastes like. You ready? I know I'm ready. Now here's a moment of truth, ain't it? Look at that right there. Cheers. Y'all's Carolina Twinkie is absolutely delicious. A good balance of heat and sweet, perfectly, along with a kiss of smoke. I tell you what, this is how Elite Barbecue Smokers makes a Carolina Twinkie. If you like this video, do us a favor, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and tell us what you think about this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that alert button. Now it's time to say the blessing, go inside and eat. But first, let's see what Dolly and Luci thinks. Come on, girls. Dolly and Luci, here. I'm not giving a piece of jalapeno, piece of sausage there on the end. Luci, good girl. Come on. Dolly, good girl. Well, Dolly liked it and Luci liked it. If they like it, I know you'll fall in love with it. Now say the blessing. Lord, bless food about to receive. This thing and pray. Amen. Appreciate you watching. See you next time. These things are delicious. Cheers.